In the heart of the forest, night drapes the landscape in quiet mystery. Nature's whispers echo, inviting you to join its tranquil dance. As the night deepens, crickets perform their ambient symphony under starlit ceilings. Each sound is a note in the lullaby of the wild's embrace. The wind weaves softly through the ancient trees, carrying with it tales of old. Listen closely, and let the stories guide you into deeper serenity. The river sings its timeless melody, a soft echo of life's continuous flow. Its gentle voice resonates, calming the mind and soothing the soul. Stars above guide the night's journey, twinkling like ancient guides. They emit a peaceful glow, illuminating paths untrodden. Midnight's tranquility paints a canvas of calm, enveloping the forest in deep slumber. Even the trees seem to breathe more softly, alive with night. A gentle rustle signals the night's protective closure, wrapping dreams in warmth. The forest cradle remains a sanctuary for sleeping souls. Nature's lullaby continues, weaving stillness into every breath and heartbeat. The rhythm synchronizes, guiding each spirit deeper into repose. The forest whispers gentle dreams, cradled by shadows and moonlit melodies. Nature's serenade envelops you, inviting peace without haste. Under the night sky's tender embrace, dreams drift harmoniously with nature's pulse. Let go, and ride the serene currents to restful slumber.